Guys, welcome to Nick's Fix. We got the tie rod out of the knuckle. We got the jam nut off. Now, if you had to reuse this, I would measure right here with a paint marker and measure it for the jam nut, because you have to go get wheel alignment once you remove this. You can count how many spaces you have between here and the tie rod, so you get a little bit close on the wheel alignment, but it's not going to be perfect. So here we go. We're going to take this out, and we got to count how many turns we got. But I'm not going to reuse this, so I'm not going to recount things. So if you were reusing this, as you can see, the tie rod is shot. Look how bad that is. This should not be moving like this. I mean, I have no resistance on the tie rod whatsoever. Nothing. I mean, I could just move it all around. This is a very bad tie rod. Good thing I'm replacing it. Look how bad this tie rod is. And if it was moving this way too, you could see it was moving. But the tie rod is shot, so we're replacing it. I'm not going to count, but if you were redoing this, I would count how many turns you have on this to put it back. So we're going to take this off right now. We got it off. There she comes. Let's see if the tie rod joint is still good. The tie rod is gone on this car. But if you were counting, you would have had to count these. There she comes right now. As you see, she came right off. See? The tie rod is shot. There's so much play in this tie rod. This is a very bad tie rod. There's no resistance whatsoever in this tie rod. That's how you know your tie rod ends are shot. If this thing can move all around and move everywhere and no resistance, that means it's worn out. So the tie rod is worn out. We're going to replace it. Thanks for watching, guys.